Balagoy. Sa muling pagkakataon, sa naman po ng aking mga kaibigan na narito ang pamilya at sa pamunuan po ng Escobar, I'd like to ask you once again that on our wedding year, 14th year that we have been together, may I ask once again your hand, Mami Annie. On our 15th years, I would like to renew my vow to you. That is why I'd like to ask you, will you marry me once again?
Congrats po! Congrats!